and the Uganda People's Defense Forces issued a statement regarding the suicide which have been committed. It's an official document. The UPDf says reported case of suicide by Lieutenant Amon Ariho. The UPDf has received a report on a case of suicide by Lieutenant Amon Ariho of our Engineers Brigade. This is very regrettable given the fact that there are established channels to handle individual and collective challenges in the institution. The CDF assures the public that the UPDF will carry out a thorough investigation, and whoever shall be found culpable will be brought to book. We appreciate that individuals do not have equal or similar skills to handle challenges. Therefore, we encourage our personnel to always seek administrative and professional help using our established structure. Mungu pamoja nasi, the Director of Defense Public Information, from via Felix Aringa, Brigadier General, who signed, you can see his signature, and the stamp from Defense Public Information Officer, Department of Defense Public Information, Modva Headquarters, that is Ministry of Defense Headquarters, and Veteran Department. So this is the statement from the UPDF regarding the suicide. We shall always meet for more updates. Thank you.